Hello and welcome to our first video. I'm Sandy and today we're playing the game of life. In the game of life, it is the objective of the game to get to the end and either you're a millionaire or you end up in the poorhouse. And we're not going to end up in the poorhouse today. It is assumed that everyone has graduated high school and we get a car, $2,000, and the option to buy car insurance. We also get to decide whether we're going to college or we're going to go straight into business. Today I'm taking the role of a financial advisor and I'll be making moves in the game as I am a financial advisor, and I will be making the best moves possible, and I intend to win this game. Let me introduce you to my opponent.
Hello, I am Jack. I'm deciding to take the role of college today, and I plan on winning this.
Hello, I'm Zachary, and I'll be going through the business route, and I plan on winning this game.
Okay, and Jack is going to be our banker today. So, Jack, hand out that money. And while Jack's handing out the money, I'm going to spin, and then Zach, you spin, and we'll find out who goes first. Oh, I got one. 7.
You gave me a little too much.
Jack, spin.
Sorry.
Let's all count out our money and see how much we have so far.
6,000.
Okay? I need help. Count mine for me.
20,000.
Okay,
I have 8,000 in auto
71,000.
insurance.
Stop counting for me. Okay, so 20,000.
72,500.
Stop! 72,000
Yeah.
in a row.
Zach gets 5,000 each payday. Jack,
It's 10,000.
10,000 as a journalist. I have a bachelor's degree and I get 6,000 for a payday.
Inherit and collect $150,000.
Okay.
Everybody give Mom a clap.
Thank you.
I'm coming for that money.
And then another
Yeah,
50,000.
no one's better.
Now go again, Mom, because
All right.
we're stuck in poison ivy.
And I've got one. That's not a good one.
Life insurance.
Do you want life insurance?
I could-
5,000.
5,000.
Yes, of course I want one.
Okay. Mom's going for life insurance. Good idea.
Jack, you're gonna
Well,
you're
you know
gonna
what?
get in a tornado.
I just inherited $150,000 probably from someone who had life insurance.
Yeah. Oh no.
Eccentric aunt leaves 100 cats, paid 10,000 to give them away.
Oh
So
man.
Zachary's giving away his cat gift.
You lost $10,000.
It's okay.
I want to do something. I'm switching these.
Why is the lady go drive?
No. It's because I'm Irish and I'm driving on the left side of the road.
Oh, okay.
I'm crashing into everyone.
Okay, so I chose to take money, $100,000 from Mom because I landed on a revenge space. And if you land on that, you can choose to take $100,000 from any player you choose, or you can move any player you choose 10,000. I was about to say 10,000 spaces back. 10 spaces back. So I chose $100,000 from my mom.
Life. I have fire insurance and I bought stock.
I have auto and life insurance. And also I have a lot more money than I used to have. I used to only have $1,000, but now I have a hundred and
I got this 100 too.
let's just say around $150,000.
And I've got auto and fire insurance now. I lost money.
Stole money from that person.
Yeah.
And I'm Irish and I'm crashing into everyone because I'm on the left side of the road.
You're supposed
You're
to be on the
crushing
left side of the
it.
road in America.
No, you're not.
Yes, you are.
You're supposed to be on the right side of the road.
Oh, right.
Jack in the future. Jack in the future. Out of the car.
All right, I got lucky day.
Oh, you get $200,000 if you own stocks.
I do own stock. See?
No, you don't.
All right.
Okay, now
You didn't know he stopped?
I get a chance to pass you two. Yes.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I already
5,
passed it
6,
though.
7. Sell cattle ranch, collect 160 grand.
Oh, look
Are
at
you-
Revenge.
She's having that.
Okay, well, my wonderful opponent Jack there.
No. Take it from him, please. I'm so broke.
Well, you did it to me, so I'm doing
I
it
needed
right
to.
back
It's
to you.
revenge.
Mom,
Mom's
you
getting
didn't
revenge
let
on
me do it to Zach, so you can't do it to me.
No, you did it to me because I was the only one that had money.
Yeah, but I wanted to do it to Zach, but you
But I
said
didn't.
no.
I only had
All right,
$1,000.
so what's the other option? I can either take your money or I can do
move
what?
me back 10 spaces or somebody else.
All right, we'll move you back 10 spaces.
You little. No. Take my 100.
Okay, all right.
Zach just got robbed.
He probably.
And my
he-
house
he
burned
pro-
down.
He.
You lost your hair, you went bald, you needed to pay.
I'm bald.
You need to pay to get it to pay.
That's right.
I'm not doing so well.
Okay.
But you went to college,
Would you
and
see
you're a
this?
journalist.
Oh, it's my turn?
Yep.
Are you sure you can go?
I went, but I spun too high.
I got 7.
7.
Doesn't matter.
You
This
have
is
to
my
stop.
money.
Okay, I get.
This is all I have.
Give me 40 grand.
Okay?
Give
Alright,
me
he
40.
gets-
I think I want to drive to Poor Farms.
I am the person who went to business, and I have more money than the person who's bankrupt.
590,000.
You won.
I have 95,000.
You won.
595,000.
Okay.
All
Mom
right.
wins.
All
Mom
right. So
won.
what did we learn?
That mom is better at,
No, it's not
No.
that. What did we learn?
that
Sometimes.
going to college sucks.
Sometimes, even if you go to college and do all the right things,
You still end up in
life.
a big hole.
life happens.
Now that I think about it, straight to the business route seems better.
Well, you know what? I guess it doesn't really matter which route you take because sometimes life just
Brings it right back where you're
brings
going.
things to you that make things complicated, right?
Yep.
And the only thing you can do is
Sit around.
make your best decisions
And
Yep.
sit
at the
around.
time.
Okay, so
All right, we're wrapping it up.
this is our first video.